Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data governance with Collibra detailed guide step by step clearly. Data governance is crucial for organizations handling vast amounts of data. To optimize data governance with Collibra, start by assessing your current data governance framework. Identify key stakeholders who will be involved in the data governance process. Gather input from these stakeholders to understand their data management needs and challenges. Next, create a clear data governance strategy that aligns with your organization's goals. Set clear objectives and define the scope of your data governance initiative. Once the strategy is in place, configure Collibra to support your data governance framework. Begin by establishing a data dictionary to define data elements and their meanings. Utilize Collibra's workflows to streamline data stewardship activities. Assign roles and responsibilities to team members within the Collibra platform. Implement data quality rules to ensure that the data being managed is accurate and consistent. Use Collibra's lineage capabilities to track data flow and transformations within your organization. Regularly monitor and review data governance metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your processes. Engage stakeholders regularly through feedback loops to ensure alignment and address any concerns. Provide training and resources to your team to maximize their use of Collibra's features. Document and communicate best practices for data handling across your organization. Leverage Collibra's reporting tools to create dashboards that visualize your data governance efforts. Continuously iterate on your data governance strategy based on stakeholder feedback and evolving business needs. With these steps, you can effectively optimize data governance using Collibra. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.